Welcome to the Tooth Factory's official website. About 2 years ago, we launched a video with a tour of our website when we first launched it. However, 2 years ago, it only had the book that once we had launched, we had published on here as well as a couple of blogs here and there, and of course the team page. But now, 2 years later, we've come a long way, and I want you guys to tour this website so that it can be useful to you and your friends in the field of dentistry globally. So all you have to do is in the search box, type thetoothfactory.ca, no spaces, no punctuation, thetoothfactory.ca. It will bring you to this home page that you're looking at, where it says the Tooth Factory up in the title area, and a bunch of services provided. I will take you to the most important pages first. However, let's take a look at the home page. Dr. Kanan Shah's developed this website with me. My wife, she says it's a beautiful day to save some smiles. We do write some smile-saving blogs, as you must know of. On the website, you can click here and write, read our blogs. And here you can see that we've written several blogs on silver diamine fluoride. We've written blogs on how a guide can be introduced when a tooth is lost during sports injury, Invisalign versus braces. What does fluoride do for your teeth? What about saltwater rinses? And so on and forth. All you have to do is click read more for more detail, and a very interactive and an artistic blog is there for your information with the purpose of oral health promotion. And at the end of each blog lies the references. It has been well thoroughly researched, and the articles that we use to create the blogs have been mentioned as well. That's our first initiative. Then we have our books. As you know, that Amazon Books, the publication services on Amazon, has allowed us to publish two, not one, two of our books. This was the first edition, 101 Smile Saving Tips that we launched for families, for children, and population for oral health promotion. And the newest addition to our books value, we have Dentistry for Kids. So, if your children need a bedtime story or educational purposes, here is a great choice. All you have to do is come to the website, click on the books, and click Buy Now. It will take you to the Amazon page where you can buy your own copy for $10, as well as a Kindle edition for $3.27. It's a beautiful little book, a great gift for children, educational, as well as backed by evidence-based dentistry. Moving on to our next service blog, which is Services column. When you take your mouse to the services, you'll notice the dental library. We introduced this dental library last year. It is a collection of 35 dental textbooks, as you can see over here. They can help you prepare for a BDS course, DDS course, AFK exam for Canada, ACJ exam for Canada, INBDE in America, NEET in Southeast Asia, as well as ADAT and your DAT entrance exam, let alone the NDEC in Canada as well. All you have to do is pay $100 one-time fee, and you can get all 35 books to keep permanent, and it is just a one-time payment. You will become a member with us by clicking here, and all you have to do is sign up. There are hundreds of dentists who have already participated, and we urge you to do so as well for your future in dental education abroad. As well as the second service that we have initiated in 2024. It is our brand new segment and the most valuable at it as well. We welcome you to the Dental Doubt Sessions. It is our brand new venture that we have initiated in order to help all our dental students across the globe, specifically the ones in North America taking licensing exams, as well as studying in the dental degree programs. We will clear dental concepts for you. We will help you prepare for your exam, as well as we'll give you consultation on how to become a dentist in North America. All of that Between the two modalities, 1 hour session worth $99.99 and monthly unlimited, which means you can have as many unlimited hours of Zoom calls with me for 1 month. And the consultation, doubts, and concepts are all included for a price of only 5-hour sessions, which is $499.99. So, what do we cover? Well, doubt clarification covers NDEB exams, INBDE and ADAT exams, all degree courses and subjects for doubt clarifications and concept clarifications. We also offer consultation for dental education in the US as well as in Canada. How to become a dentist, the scope of dentistry. If you're wanting to come to North America, we can take a look at your profile and help guide you towards your future in North America as a dentist. So don't wait. All you have to do is come to this link and click Buy Now. It will take you to a page for payment, and once the payment has been processed, you will receive a Zoom link via email. The disclaimer down here gives you the steps. It says for clients only, a Zoom link will be emailed back to the client in response to the purchase. All we need you to do is reach out to us once you've purchased via email or our business WhatsApp number using these details. Please provide them so we have a good profile on you, and then I myself, Dr. Rishi Shah, will contact you and we will stay till you become a dentist in North America, guys. So this is a brand new venture, as well as a book a free call. If this is your first visit with us, if you're new to the concept of dentistry in North America, you can also reach out to us via WhatsApp, email, or text. Myself or my wife, one of us will be available to you to help you within 24 hours. This website gives you a tour of our ventures, and soon enough, there will be another column here for the Tooth Factory courses. That's right, we are preparing several courses for dental studies across the globe to help you and support studies for several exams. So come look at our website, thetoothfactory.ca. Scroll down to our services. Visit our lectures by clicking on the YouTube link over here. Once you click on the YouTube link, you'll come back to where you started, and all our lectures are present here, including the latest angina and myocardial infarction, the dental pharmacology series. On playlist section, you can also visit subject-wise, and we will continue to upload as we go. We like to thank you for all 8,000 and more subscribers. In the last 4 years, our family is growing, so we thank you for your participation as our family. We love you and see you again on the other side of the lectures. Please visit our website, thetoothfactory.ca. Have a great day. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.